Hi Year 10, this is an additional video to help you get started on your design for your drawer front using marquetry. So it's the same skill that you've seen Year 9 use on their footstool. You guys are going to do it on your drawer front. Now we'll all have slightly different drawer widths. So I've decided to make our drawer look like this. So just a quick sketch, you don't have to do this. Our drawer fronts will look something like this. Some will be slightly longer, but everyone's drawer front will be 200 high, and then we're actually going to have something like this as well. Okay, so we'll have a mitered frame around it, like that, like that. I know it's not perfect, it does not matter at this point. And then we're going to do some half lap joints in here. Look like this. Oops. And this, okay. In the center here, we'll have a drawer handle. Now, I haven't really decided if we'll turn these, if we'll have time to, or if we'll just buy a nice handle to put in here. But in this panel here and this panel here of your drawer, we can have some marquetry, and they will be individual pieces of timber. So there's a piece, there's a piece, there's a piece, okay, and they'll get laminated together in between these bits of timber. Now, the size of this rectangle is 180 high and 145 wide. So you just draw a random rectangle. This is the part you do, guys. So draw a random rectangle, then select it, and while it's selected, make sure that padlock is unlocked. So if it's locked, click it to unlock it. The width I said was 145 and the height 180. Enter. You need two of those, so you may as well hit Control C, Control V. That did not work. Why not? Select Control C, click off it, Control V. There we go. And we've got our two rectangles. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of everything else up here. Not needed anymore. I might just move it up so you can still see it. Okay, they're the two spaces you've got to design in. All right. So you might want something simple like your initials. You can select it then, and up here you can change your fonts. Now just remember the router bit is round, so things with sharp corners on it like this, when you zoom in here, you can't necessarily get all the way into that corner. You can put radiuses on some points, but sometimes it just won't work. See? The cursor usually changes to a different crosshair when it lets you do it. So just keep that in mind. Now, you can work around it. I'll try and show you a way to do that. Zoom. Change my font. Oh, double click. Change my font. I want something more curved. There we go. change the size. And then you can move it around. Okay, you can rotate it to have it how you like. Might put it in this one. And you might want to put the year. It's up to you, whatever you want, okay? Much the same. I might just copy paste that, so I'm copying the same font and size, and then I'll click in it. There we go, took a little bit. 2020. Doesn't quite fit, so I might do something like this then. I might just bring it back over here and have it like that. Up to you. Now remember, you can always insert images. So tools, file, import. You might have a silhouette image you've downloaded or one you've created yourself. Okay, I'm just using my trackpad and scrolling in and out. So you might not want writing at all, it's up to you. And once that image is there, we can go Tools, Trace Image. It will trace around it for us. You can use your slide bars to get it more accurate if it needs to be. Click OK, drag it off, delete on the keyboard, you've got your shape. Now I don't want this section, but it's attached. So to detach things, select it, and up here you've got silhouette of a person. You can ungroup, and now if I click off it and click on it, I can click individual parts. Okay, so I don't want this part. Delete. All right, so I might just decide I want it like that. I might decide I don't want my font at all anymore. And I might just decide to put 2 of those on there. And I might want to flip that one. So up here you can mirror that way or that way. There we go. And if you can imagine that one going into there, that one going into there, I might like that. Okay, so spend some time doing a design that you would like. Sometimes less is more. It doesn't have to be overly complex, but please make it something that you like, something appropriate, nothing silly, okay? Once you've done that, guys, you just need to save it as a LightBurn file. So File, Save As. Marquetry Design Draw, and just put your name on the end of it. Okay, save, and send that to me as an attachment. From there, I can export that as a DXF for the CNC router like you would have watched in the other video. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.